I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to this week's Sewing It Up. If you're new to the 5 out of 4 Patterns YouTube channel, Sewing It Up is a weekly video that we post, just one of us making something. Sometimes we need just no pressure and we just need to make something for fun, and then we take video of it. That's all Sewing It Up is. And today we're sewing up the Versatility Pants. And when I say we, I actually mean Jessica. She's the one who did all the sewing here. She has sewn a pair of Versatility Pants with a cargo pocket. Now this is a super fun pant. It's one of my favorites. I know it's one of hers, and if you try it, it's definitely going to be one of yours. Let's get started. The Versatility pattern is one of the very first patterns by 5 out of 4 that I ever even made, and I still make them to this day. And the cool thing about the Versatility, if you've not seen it before, is that it's not just pants, it comes with a shirt too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will check out the pattern, and I definitely will see you next time on Sewing It Up. Bye.